Hi, everybody. This is Riccardo Giovanni Urso from the Italian National Institute of Astrophysics. I work at the Astrophysical Observatory in Catania, and I'm happy to invite you to the seminar focused on the effects of low-energy cosmic rays and solar particles on pristine organic matter. As you know, life is based on organic matter, and understanding how it formed, it is crucial to shed light on the emergence of life. Various evidences suggest that organic molecules can form in space. And in fact, we find them in meteorites, asteroids, comets, and also in bodies like trans-Neptunian objects that are located in the outer solar system and that are thought to preserve the composition of the material in the protoplanetary disk. There are many open questions about the origins of organics, the chemical pathways involved in their formation, when and where they formed, and what's their present distribution. So I will focus on how organic matter can form in space when carbon-bearing ices are exposed to cosmic rays and solar particles. I will discuss experiments that help us understand the role of these processes in forming organics and their subsequent alteration that happens on board small bodies like comets and asteroids. Looking forward to see you at the seminar.